Hello and welcome to Level 2 Improving Together training. In this training you will learn about how UH&M is developing a culture of continuous improvement and be introduced to key tools to support your part in this: standard work and status exchange. At the end we'll show you how to find more information and access the templates you need to get started. Improving Together is our way of doing things at UH&M. It's a long-term cultural change programme. But how do you change culture? We know that an organisation's culture is built from the collection of behaviours of the people who work there. Individual behaviours are the collection of the personal and professional habits that develop across the course of an individual's lifetime. So, to change behaviours and therefore the culture of an organisation, we have to change habits. Improving Together focuses on introducing a set of tools and routines which will build habits of continuous improvement, doing a little every day. In the Improving Together toolbox, there are a range of tools and routines. Some help teams understand their performance, identify where improvements are needed, and see how work is progressing. Some help teams to reduce firefighting and work in a more planned and proactive way. Others help create structure for daily improvement. And finally, there are tools to help make those changes stick. How well our habits are established is measured using the Maturity Assessment tool. This lets us check in on our progress to a continuous improvement culture by helping us recognise which tools we need to practice more. To grow an improvement culture, we need to encourage some specific behaviours. Willingness to learn and try different approaches. Curiosity, the ability to challenge norms and ask why, how, what. Humility, accepting you don't have all the answers, and it's okay to ask others for their views and experience, particularly those closest to the work being done. Perseverance, we don't get it right first time, every time, and being able to adjust and go again is essential. And finally, self-discipline. We know this is the most difficult one, but it's how we stick to what we plan and see it through so improvements don't fade over time. If we achieve this, we will work in a culture of continuous quality improvement, where the people closest to the issues affecting care are given the time, permission and skills needed to address them, using specific methods and tools to bring about measurable improvements in our services. A key step in quality improvement is to understand and manage variation. Several people may complete a task that delivers the same outcome but to different standards and by different ways, each of which will have different risks or obstacles. So how can we improve when everyone does things differently? The improvement tool we use here is standard work, and there are 4 simple steps. Step 1. Get a group of people who routinely do the task to agree the best, fastest, safest way to achieve the outcome. They describe the process to be followed to complete that task. Step 2. Write down the process in an easy step-by-step instructions. A good tip is to use pictures, which really help with understanding. Step 3. Test it out, check it works, and then use this to train all other colleagues to complete that task in the same way. Step 4. Have the standard work available in the location the task is completed. It should always be easily available for reference. Use this as your baseline from which you can improve it further by going back to step 1. We try to standardise processes to get predictable outcomes, but how can we standardise when every patient or situation is different? The actions we take, whether this is regarding to treating a patient or solving a non-clinical problem, may be situation dependent. In delivering this action or providing this treatment, there will be a number of tasks to be completed. It is at this task level we can standardise. Each task should be done in a repeatable way. This ensures that quality is built in at source, delivers more predictable outcomes, provides a framework for training and a solid foundation for future improvement. Where actions or treatments use common sets of tasks, these too can be standardised, but there remains the flexibility to adapt the situation you face, allowing clinical or professional judgment as needed. But it's not all about processes. How do we improve the way we communicate and share information that is critical to how we deliver care for our patients? Do you get asked about the same issue repeatedly? Do you walk away from a conversation or a meeting not hearing the information you needed? Are meetings or conversations sprung on you? Do you have the relevant information to hand? Do you feel supported to explore and develop your own ideas? Status Exchange is the tool that could help you. Status Exchange allows you to exchange information on the status of the business. It's a set of concise, pre-planned questions agreed by all the participants so everyone gets what they need from the conversation. As you know what you are going to be asked, you can prepare appropriately. It's held at a set day or time and a place at a frequency appropriate to the topic. This may be daily, weekly or monthly and should take between 10 and 30 minutes. Working this way helps to ensure you get the information you need to make informed, proactive decisions and gives you space to raise issues and explore options together. Status Exchange can be used to improve handovers, huddles, check-in or check-out meetings, one-to-ones or one-to-many. It's a really simple way for improving together. For more information on the tools we've introduced today and to download templates to get started, head over to the Trust intranet, click A to Z of Services, I for Improving Together, and the box for Improving Together tools. For help, support and coaching on the use of these tools, contact the QI Academy team by emailing us improving.together@uhnm.nhs.uk. Thanks for listening.